Apple introduced the iPad Air M3, the 7th generation of the Air series. The iPad Air M3 is available in two sizes, 11-inch and, for the first time ever, 13-inch. It brings more choice to the Air line than ever before. The chassis is made from recycled aluminum, with flat edges and a sleek, minimal aesthetic that fits right in with Apple's 2025 design language. It comes in 4 colors: space gray, starlight, blue, and purple. While some users might miss the more vibrant colors of earlier models, these options look mature and professional. The overall build is solid. You get that reassuring sturdiness in the hand, and the slim bezels give it a modern edge. The only potential downside: there's no Face ID. It's still Touch ID on the power button. 120 Hz on the iPad Pro's promotion display. Going back to 60 Hz feels less fluid. The iPad Air M3 is powered by Apple's latest M3 chip, the same chip found in the base model MacBook Air and 24-inch iMac. Built on a 3nm process, it boasts an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, a massive leap over the M1 that powered the previous Air. The M3 chip also makes this iPad more future-proof. Apple tends to support its iPads for 6 to 7 years, and with this kind of horsepower, you'll be enjoying updates and peak performance well into the 2030s. One of the iPad Air M3's biggest selling points is its compatibility with Apple's top-tier accessories. For the first time, the Air supports both the Apple Pencil Pro and the new Magic Keyboard, turning it into a true productivity powerhouse. Apple Pencil Pro. This is the best stylus Apple has ever made, and it's finally available for the Air lineup. It magnetically attaches to the side of the iPad and charges wirelessly. The new Magic Keyboard makes the iPad Air M3 feel like a MacBook, in the best possible way. With a floating design, responsive scissor switch keys, a large glass trackpad, and a new function row, it's more practical than ever. Typing on this keyboard feels natural and fluid. Combined with the power of the M3 chip and iPadOS multitasking tools like Stage Manager, the iPad Air M3 has rear camera, 12-megapixel wide lens with smart HDR and 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second. Front camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide with center stage. The iPad Air M3 runs iPadOS 18, bringing a wave of enhancements. Multitasking improvements. Stage Manager is smoother than ever, allowing you to resize and overlap windows for a desktop-like workflow. Split view and slide over remain for users who prefer the traditional tablet multitasking. With the 13-inch model, multitasking is even more spacious. Battery. 11-inch model equipped with a 28.93 watt-hour battery. 13-inch model, 36.59 watt-hour battery. Both models support charging via the USB-C. RAM. Both the 11-inch and 13-inch models come with 8 GB of RAM. Available capacities. Both sizes offer storage options of 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, making it a legitimate work setup for power users. If you're using a 30-watt or higher charger, there's still no wireless charging, and Apple hasn't introduced MagSafe for iPads yet. Is Apple's most balanced tablet to date. It packs the incredible performance of the M3 chip, works with the latest accessories, introduces a larger 13-inch model, and still undercuts the iPad Pro by hundreds of dollars.